On today's adventure, we head to the beautiful coast of Florida to explore this ship that is marooned on the side of the shore. Join us as we explore this amazing location. So right now, I'm about to walk a mile to see this abandoned ship as a fisherman ship on the side of a shore. This is going to be one of the coolest explores I've done, and one of the most beautiful explores I've done. I mean, just look all around me. Take that all in. This is just incredible. So this was where the crew stayed. Apparently, the captain fell asleep, and because he fell asleep, he grounded the ship. So I'm gonna search through here a little bit more. It's been pretty much ravaged, though. Got a few fuses right here. Fuse box. Every window's pretty much smashed in. It's a little burner. That's about it for this thing. This has been pretty stripped dry. Got a little control box right there. That is right there where the steering wheel used to be, but it's no longer there. Little table to eat. 2 bunks, it looks like. You got the old fishing line right here. Still intact. So the ship you see behind me, I got a little history on it. A lady who was walking right past me told me that the captain actually fell asleep around 2018 or 2017, and he grounded his ship, which is the Decaying, on this beach. Everybody thought it was from Hurricane Michael, but that was just the excuse he made to cover up his mistake. See, the rust is already starting to eat away at this. This is where they stored their fish that they caught. And then you could go on top of there and kind of maybe see, and I don't know, honestly. I'm not a fisherman.